Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Want to dominate PUBG Mobile? Playing with a mouse and keyboard gives you an unbeatable edge. Imagine pinpoint accuracy, faster aiming, and instant movement responses, just like a pro PC gamer. This setup dramatically enhances your gameplay, making every shot count and every dodge precise. It's all about elevating your control and reaction times to a whole new level, offering a truly superior combat experience. So how do you actually make this happen? You have two main routes to take in 2025. First, you can run PUBG Mobile on your computer using a PC emulator, essentially simulating a mobile device. Second, you can opt for a physical mobile adapter, which directly connects your mouse and keyboard to your phone. Both offer a distinct way to achieve that desktop-like control you're looking for, each with its own set of advantages. For the most secure and official experience, a PC emulator like Tencent's Game Loop is your best bet. It's specifically designed for PUBG Mobile, offering seamless gameplay and excellent optimization. Using Game Loop often places you in lobbies with other emulator players, ensuring fair competition. This method provides the full desktop experience with minimal fuss, making it a fantastic choice for reliability and performance on your computer. If you prefer to keep your gaming truly mobile, dedicated adapters are the way to go. These devices connect physically to your smartphone, acting as a bridge for your mouse and keyboard. They translate your clicks and key presses into on-screen touch commands, giving you precise control. This approach lets you play PUBG Mobile on your actual phone with the benefits of external peripherals, a unique way to enhance your portable battlefield. Before diving in, remember these vital tips. Always check PUBG Mobile's latest terms and conditions regarding third-party peripherals. Avoiding a ban is paramount. Start by practicing extensively in the training grounds to master your new controls and find optimal sensitivities. Ultimately, whether you choose an emulator or an adapter, selecting the right method for your needs ensures a smooth, enjoyable, and safe competitive edge in 2025.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.